Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, we're actually going to be taking a look at some of the products from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. So if you're interested in seeing what I got and how it performed, stay tuned. So on e.l.f.'s website, it says that this Retro Paradise collection is a limited edition collection and it is infused with the essence of the tropics and inspired by sun-soaked beaches, paradise hues, and beautiful Bahamian vistas. This entire collection consists of an eyeshadow palette, there are 4 lip glosses, 3 Retro Paradise liquid glitters, they have a primer oil, they have 2 different colors of a dimensional face and body shimmer, they have a brush set, they have a body brush, they also have sponges and stickers and body oil and a little makeup case. There's just a lot of items in this collection. So I didn't pick up everything, but I did pick up the things that interested me most, which were the eyeshadow palette, the Retro Paradise Lip and Shine Lip Kit, the liquid glitter eyeshadows in Disco Queen, 24K, and Flirty Birdie, and then also I picked up the 4 lip glosses from the collection. So let's go ahead and take a look at the products I picked up. The first one we have here is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise 18-piece eyeshadow palette, and here's what that looks like. The colors in this are really pretty and really vibrant, and there's a mix of mattes and shimmers. And here you go, here's a better look at that. Okay. Now the packaging is just a plastic packaging. There's no mirror or anything in there. And for these 18 eyeshadows, the cost of this was $14. I am wearing this palette on my eyes today. I went ahead and created a look with it, which I'll leave later on in the video if you want to take a look and see how I created this eye look. So let's go ahead and do some swatches of these. I'm going to start from the top row here, and I'm just going to go across row by row. So here's the first row swatch there, and we have the color Canvas, we have Sandy Bum, Rise and Shine, Spiced, Paraiso, and Coconut. And they all swatch fairly nicely. Now I will say that this first one here and the second one did have a little bit of fallout, and I had to go over those a couple of times. And they are a little bit chalky, but nothing that's terrible or anything like that. And I will tell you also that the colors are buildable. So here's the next row, guys. Look at that bluish green. That color is absolutely fabulous. That's actually what I have on my eyes today. But anyway, this first color here, which you can barely see, it blends in really well with my skin, is Dijon. And then this lovely silverish color here is called Sea Salt. And then we have Fuego. And then this beautiful blue here is called Sip It. This green is Bahamar. And then this purple here, which I also have on my eyes today, is Tropicana. And here's the last row of colors, and these are absolutely stunning. I love these colors. Okay, so the first one we have here is Caliente, the second one is Cacao, Fortuna, Royal, Disco, and then Nightlife. Look at those colors, guys. Really nice. And this row probably swatched the best out of all 3 of the rows. Really, really pretty colors. So that was all the color swatch, guys. I absolutely love this palette. I think the colors are really fun and really summery. Very, very nice. They swatch really well overall. They performed well on my eyes. I have 3 of the colors out of the palette on my eyes today, along with one of the liquid glitter eyeshadows. Now I did say that some of the mattes are a little bit chalky, but I kind of expect that for matte. It's not anything that's so bad that it's not usable, and also the colors are buildable because I did build up some of the pigment today to put on my eyes. Now I did do a quick try on of this look, and like I said, it'll be later on in the video if you want to take a look at that as well. So let's move on to the next item out of the collection that I picked up, and that is this lip kit here, and it is called the Line and Shine Lip Kit, and it has 4 lip liners and 1 lip gloss, and here's what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the liners and the gloss in this kit for you. And what I did before this is I tried on each of the liners on my lips so you could see how it looks by itself. I completely filled in my lips and then I tried it on with the gloss over it. So I'll insert a picture here somewhere so you can see that as I'm swatching it on my hand as well. So, okay, there are, like I said, there are 4 liners in there, and then there's that one gloss in the middle. Now, the thing that I did not like about these pencils, unless I'm just not seeing it, it could be, is that they don't actually have the name that I see anywhere on the pencil itself, but it is listed on the back of the package. So the first liner in here is called Nude 01, and it says that it is a soft nude pink. So let me go ahead and swatch that for you. Okay, here's what that looks like. Hope you can see that. And it actually glides on pretty well. It's not the easiest glide on pencil I've ever used, but it's by far not the worst. It's somewhere in the middle. The next liner in the package is called Nude 02. And this one is a flattering nude beige, it says. So let me go ahead and swatch that. Okay. And again, I'll stick a picture here somewhere so you can see how it looks on the lips. And that's that one there. It looks a little deeper than beige to me on my hand, but hey. All right. The next liner I'm pulling out of the kit is, you probably guessed it by now, it's Nude 03. And this one is a deep golden brown lip liner. Okay, swatch that. And here's that one swatched right there. That is a beautiful color. It actually reminds me of the one that I already wear from e.l.f. I believe the one I wear is either deep brown or dark brown, and it's about this color. It's absolutely my favorite lip liner. I actually have backups of it that I love it so much. And the last lip liner in the kit is actually called Vivid Lip Liner, and it says go bold with this vibrant matte fuchsia. And here's what that looks like. And here's what that color looks like swatched. And as a matter of fact, this is actually the color that I'm wearing on my lips, and I actually put the gloss from the kit over it. So that's what I'm using as a lipstick today. Really, really pretty color. I really like this. And here's the lip gloss that came in the kit. It's called their Dream On Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Moment. Okay. Now it does have a glittery, shimmery effect to it. It's a clear gloss though, so you're not gonna see too much. I don't even know if you can see the shimmers there. All right. Now what I didn't realize when I bought the other 4 lip glosses is that one of the 4 lip glosses that they sell individually is the same exact lip gloss. It's the color A Moment as well. Okay, so let's move on to the lip glosses in the collection. I'll go ahead and show them to you real quick and do some quick swatches, even though you may not see too much because they're kind of really clearish to me. They don't really have that much pigment, but I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you anyway. Again, there are 4 of them. And here's what they look like in the packaging. And the first one is called Strawberry Daiquiri. Here's what it looks like. And let's go ahead and do a quick swatch of this. And this one here is actually a pinky color. It does have a little bit of a hue to it, but I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera. And they glide on really well, and they actually feel really, really good on my lips. Like I said, I'm wearing one of them today, and it feels really, really good. Not sticky or anything at all. The next color, guys, here is A Moment. And since I already swatched that for you just a couple of seconds ago, I'm not gonna open it and swatch it. It's the same exact lip gloss, except it's sold individually as well. And each of these lip glosses, if I didn't mention it, is $5 a piece. The next lip gloss in the kit is called Tropical Fruit Punch. And that's what that looks like. Here's what it looks like again. It looks a little pinkyish in the packaging. Let me go ahead and swatch that one for you. And there's what Tropical Fruit Punch looks like as well. The last color in the lip gloss collection is Electric Lemonade, and this looks absolutely fabulous inside the packaging. It's a beautiful blue color. And here's what that looks like outside of the packaging. Absolutely beautiful, stunning blue color. It actually reminds me of the Italian Icy in the blue, and it's actually making me want one. I love this color. And here's what that one looks like swatched. It's not as blue as it is in the packaging by any means, but it is a gloss, so that's kind of expected. And as you can see, as I tried on there in the picture, to me it actually makes my lips look a little bit purplish. Now that may have just been because I was trying on all these glosses and taking them off, so my lips may have been a little reddish or purplish just from the on and off of the lip glosses and lip pencils. Okay guys, so the last thing I picked up from this collection were the liquid glitter eyeshadows in the 3 colors that they have in this Retro Paradise collection, and these are in the color Disco Queen, 24 Karat Gold, and Flirty Birdie. Now, if you're not already aware, e.l.f. already released these liquid glitter eyeshadows previously. There are like 8 or 10 of them, and I actually have all of them. So I already have all of these 3 colors. What they did is just repackage the most popular ones and put them in this collection. So I'm not going to open these that I have here, the new ones. I'll probably put these in a giveaway, but I am going to go ahead and swatch them for you with the ones that I already have. And I'm also again going to put a picture up here because I tried them on my eyelids with no primer or anything, just so you could see what these colors would look like on the eye. So let's go ahead and do a quick hand swatch, and you can see the eye swatches somewhere around here. The first one I'm going to swatch for you is called Disco Queen, and that's what Disco Queen looks like. It's a gorgeous silvery color, and here's what that looks like swatched. The next color up is 24 Karat Gold, and this is a deep gold color. Very, very pretty color. Let's go ahead and swatch that. I'll just swatch it right next to the Flirty Birdie here. This gold is stunning. Look at that. And that's 24 Karat Gold right there. And the last one I'm going to swatch for you is called Flirty Birdie. This is the last one in the collection. And to me, this is like a rose gold color. So there's that color there. That's Flirty Birdie. All of these colors are absolutely stunning. Actually, that whole line of glitter eyeshadows is absolutely amazing. I love them all. Like I said, I have all of them from the collection. And today on my eyes, I'm actually wearing Disco Queen on top of the eyeshadows that I put on. Each of the glitter eyeshadows retails for $5. Well guys, that is everything I have to share with you in this collection. So let's go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow try on. everything that I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you found it helpful. Let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite product that I picked up out of this collection and if you'll be picking up anything from this e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. Anyway, guys, I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.